Hello guys, Nitin here, and you are watching Civil Struck Design. So today we will design a building in the Etabs, so that will be a zero to hero cost. So we will design this in this building. This you can see the AutoCAD plan. I will import it in the Etabs, then I will design in the. I will do the analysis, modeling, and the designing part. So you will see. Uh, from one point to the last point how to do modeling, how to do analysis, and how to do the designing in the Etabs. So keep watching and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, so I start I start from here. So you can see the AutoCAD plan. I have imported it in the uh, Etabs file. So you can see I have imported. So now I will draw the members. So you can see you can see there is the beam already has been assigned, because when you will import the file, so here you can import the DXO file. Okay, DXL file of floor plan, so it will be imported. Okay, so now I will draw the column. Okay, so go to the story first. It's a G+14 building. So in this video, first we will do the equivalent static analysis for the earthquake designing, and then next video we will do the dynamic analysis. So I will first I should define the material properties here. So go to the add new properties here, India, and concrete I will use the M30 of grade of the concrete. Next is the rebar properties. So select here the rebar and choose HYST grade 500. Okay, so click OK. Now I go for the section properties from there, and the frame section, add new properties here. For the column uh, I am using 15 inch by 15 inch column. Okay, so select the material 15 inch by 15 inch and select the property modifier 0.7 here and zero point 0.7. Okay, so for the column we use the property modifier 0.7 and click here the longitudinal bar diameter. Okay, so material rebar material. Okay, so click and go for I'm going for the circular column. So we will use the circular column also. So I take the diameter of the circular column is 12 inch. Okay, circular, so I name it circular, and the material is M30 12 inch. Here also property modifier 0.7 by 0.7. Click OK. Reinforcement I am using HOST 500, so click here. And I'm going for the beam properties. So I will use beam size is 12 inch by 24 inch. Okay, so click here the material properties M30 24 by 12 here, and the property modifier click 0.35 for the beam. Click OK and go to the reinforcement. Click here the beam. First here M3 design only beam and HYST 500. So click here has been inbuilt over there. Okay. So delete the material, delete the multiple properties here. So let it be. And now I will draw the column. So click here column and choose here the column 15 by 15. I click here like this. Okay, so click here 15 by 15. I'm using 15 by 15. Okay, You can take the higher size also, but first we will take the 15 by 15. After that, if it fails, then we will go for the higher size. You can go to the display, and then you can go to the architectural column, rectangular, add columns. So it will add all the columns here. You can see. Go to the circular from here and add column. So it will add the automatic. Okay, so now I go to the all the columns have been assigned, so you can check its properties. Sorry, you can check by go to the 3D, and you can see whether it is what is the size of this column. Is a fsec 1. Okay, so we will have to change. You can go to the section properties. You will see the f sections. Yeah, it's a 24 by 24. I change here is 12 by 12 because I am using the 12 by 12. So column 12 inch by 12 inch as a rectangular column. Okay, so click OK because sorry, the reinforcement is not added, so that's why it's showing zero reinforcement. Second f 2 18 inch. The diameter of that column was 18, so column 18 here, circular column, that was the circular column. So click as sec 3, that is the frame section 3. Here also the 24 inch, the diameter of the column, 24 inch circular. Okay, so click your OK and check the beam properties also. Beam properties is concrete beam, so I am choosing, first clear it and go to the section properties here, frame sections, so concrete beam. So I am taking the beam size. I was taking the beam size for 12 by 24. So click here, column 12 by 24. That is the beam. Sorry, I click here the column in starting. So I go for the edit beam. Click OK. So you can see is it changed or not. Yeah, it's a changed. So now go to the plan model, and now I go for the slab sections. So delete this blank property and go to the slab. I'm choosing here 150 mm. Okay, so that means I'm taking here 6 inch. Okay, 6 inch slab. So M30 6 inch. Okay, so I'm going for the slab and 6 inch slab. So you can drag it like this also. Okay, so you can improve the slab like this method also. Yeah, go to the undo and draw again. Yeah, because I'm not drawing the slab for the staircase, because there will we will draw the staircase after that. We have done a mistake over here, so go and delete this. Again I will go. Yeah, there is not showing the, so I think here it can show the joint. Now it's done. Yeah, done. Now we will go to the draw floor for this arc section. Okay, so like this you can draw the slab and draw the slab like that. Okay, so here also I have to draw the slab. Right click, and I have done a little mistake over here. Go to the undo. Okay, done. So like this you can model the slab. Now I will go for the slab staircase section. So click the all the stair, sorry, from left to right, and select this beam also, and go to the source selected object only. Go to the plan and deselect all. Now I have to draw the staircase. For that you have to take the midpoint of this. Yeah. Now create a beam between this. And I have to take it 3 feet to X direction. So go to edit and replicate in the 3 feet in the X direction, and make the slab over here. Sorry, I have done a little mistake over here. Oh, go to undo and select this joint. and you can go to this manually. What's happening here? I think something wrong is happening. Go to the redo and again select. I don't know what's happening because there will be some bug in the software. Okay, so that's why it's happening. You can go to this option or also here. So it's not responding. No, it's not responding. So yeah, we will have to do it again. Go to draw, object, story one. Or now it can be used. Yeah, I've done a little mistake over here. So go to the rectangle, select this point to this point. Now it can be made easily. So click this point and add it frame section, divide it in the two frames and join this beam also here to here and divide it in the two parts. Okay, so I have to divide it in also in the two parts. Go to this slab and click here to here, here, the that click. So the stair slab has been drawn. Yeah, now done. Okay, so like that I can draw the slab. So show all objects, and there also I have to do like this. Go to plan and story one, select this, show selected objects only. Go to the, because I have not taken column there, so I'll have to draw a column there because the slab should have the column at the all corners. Sorry, stay here. Okay, so go to the column 12 by 12 and done. Select all these and show select object only. Okay, again that process I have to do again. So first draw the slab, draw the beam at first I draw the beam. No, first I have to divide this column in the two parts. So edit frame, divide frame in the two parts. Okay, and then I have to draw a beam in between this joint like this and replicate it in the x direction at the 3 meter of distance, and again draw a beam and divide this beam also in two parts. Okay, and draw a slab there. And now create a beam also there. And divide it also. And make a slab for the stair. Click OK. So there is not showing a beam because I think there is no beam, so I'll have to make a beam for this stair, and I have to divide it in the two parts. And make this done. And delete these beams. You can delete it in the top view also, like this. Okay, go to the delete option. Done. I have to delete this beam in the this part also. Okay, go to the edit and delete it. So this part is done, and now I go for the loading. Assign shell load. I'm providing here the dead load for the floor finish. First I change the unit from there, go to the consistent unit, and I'm taking meter kilonewton Celsius. Okay, now go to the story 1 and assign shell load. I'm taking the floor finishes 1.5 for all the slabs. So go to the select object type, and here select all the floors and apply the 1.5 kilonewton dead load. Okay, so go to the pre-selection shell load. I'm taking 3 kilonewton as a live load. Done. Okay, and I forgot to provide the load on the stair. Okay, so select all the stairs here and click it also. Assign shell load, and I am providing here 5 kilonewton as a live load. No, and dead load I am taking here 2 kilonewton. I apply, and live load I will take here 5 kilonewton because there will be a huge live load in the stairs. Okay, here also 5 kilonewton in this landing slab. Assign shell load uniform, replace at 5. Okay, now it's done. So loading part is completed. Now I want to replicate it in the first. I'll have to add the story. So go to add modifies. So here are the, so it's a G+14, so 15 flow, and I want this type of structure at for in the for the 5 floor. Okay, so story 2 to 3 5. Done. and go to the topmost plan, 5 floor, and I want only this part. Clear it, select it from there. Yeah, because the slab is also there. So for now, I will have to mm, delete. No, don't require to delete. So yeah, deselect it, and like that I can do. Yeah, like that I can. Yeah, like that. We can do like this. Yeah, now this it is selected. And deselect these beams which have been selected. Okay, so we will have to break it. Yeah. Mm, so first I will break these beams here. This beams also. This beams that yeah this beam. Go to edit frame. No, join, not join. Divide. Edit, divide it and break at intersections. So it will be done. Now this beam also I have to intersect. Select and edit frames, divide, break it. Yeah, now it's done. You can see everything has been selected. Select this portion also and select the stair also. That stair also I have to select. No, that portion will not go up. And go to edit and replicate it into the uh, 6 to 15. Done. So you can see in the 3D. Okay, see like this. I think this beam is not been replicated, so I have to take this beam also. So go to the plan and select this beam. Replicate and story 5 to 6 to 15. Done. Now you can see it has been done. Yeah, like this you can do. Modeling part of this is done. You can see in the extrude option of taking. And now this modeling part is done. For this you can see in the rendered view also like this. I have to uh, make the headroom also over there, and here also headroom. So this is our modeling part, and now go to the define and load patterns. So here I will add the load earthquake in the X direction. So click title X and seismic 193 AS code, and done in the earthquake in the Y direction. Done. So modify it in the X and the eccentricity 5%. So I live in Delhi, so this is it comes June 4, so the value is 0.4, and the soil site type is 2. Importance factor I am using as 1.2 because it's more than 200 people building. So response direction factor I am choosing 5. It's a SMRF, that is the specimen resting frame. Because we will do the dynamic analysis. Okay, so okay, let's click in the y direction. Here also 0.24, and the soil type is same rule, it's a medium 1.2 also. So time period it will automatically calculate. Okay, so there is a formula for the time period, that is the 0.09, I think, into height divided by under Lx and Ly. We will define in the one different direction, okay, x and y. So you can calculate like this manual also. You can manually add here the time period, and this and it will come in the second. Okay, so click OK. Okay, now done. And now I'm going for the analysis. It's a very big model, and so it will take a little bit of time. So we will complete this model in the next video. Okay, so I think it will take time, it will take some time. So in the tomorrow's video you will see how how we'll analyze and how we'll design, and after that we will check the result whether it is pass or not, and we will check the bending moment, shear force, and after that we will see the reactions also. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like this, and if you want this DXF file, you can contact me. Okay, so thanks for watching this.